everyone, my name's Paige and I'm converting this Ford Transit so that I can travel across the country and live in it full time. And today I am building out my bed frame. Now I made a very rough draft outline of what I'll be doing. So let's get in the van and I'll show you what's up. Alright, so this is where my bed's gonna go. Now I am doing a fixed platform bed, but I will have a pull-out extension. So essentially my bed's probably gonna go to about right here. This is 4 feet of space. And then when I pull it out, it'll give me an extra 2 feet, making it 6 feet. So I think I'm gonna start off using these pieces of wood here to create my bed frame legs. I will also then be putting in my slats and we'll go from there. Alright, so you may have noticed that I took out my recessed shelving that I worked so hard on. However, I did that for a good reason. Now I am putting in these bottom panels to help hold up my legs that are going to be supporting my bed. And this recessed shelf was way too low and it just would have looked awkward with the bed kind of cutting it off halfway. So I took it out for now. I might be putting it back in, but right now I have an extra furring strip that I'm going to be putting right here, and then I can put in my wall panel that's going to go right here, and this wood is just going to help support my 2x4 legs, and so we're going to do that right now. Alright, we are getting there. Ignore the noise going on. I think someone is locked out of their storage unit. I'm not really sure. But we got these legs in and I haven't screwed them into the backboard yet, but I will. I just wanted to ensure that all the weight was on the legs. I did use some L brackets just to ensure a strong connection, I suppose. And then I am going to work my way doing this side, and after that I'll be putting in the support beams, and I'm actually using the IKEA support beams, which I'm sure if anyone looks up bed building for van conversion, so you're going to see those IKEA beams. So I'm going to be doing that. Hopefully I can get it done today. Alright, so I just finished installing the bed frame and the slats that I got from IKEA. Everything seems to be holding up. It's holding my weight just fine. And so next up, I'm going to start building the slats that are going to go this way and the extension. So let's jump into that. So I have all of my slats cut, and I am using a spare piece of my ceiling as a spacer. So I'm going to take my 4-foot 1x4s, 1x4, 1x4. I'm going to take my 1x4s. I'm going to line them up, and then I am just going to see how many I need, but we'll put a spacer here. Hopefully I don't start moving at all. That's going to end up going here. It's gonna end up moving, I know it, but it's okay. We're just counting right now to see what we need, which ones are gonna be the permanent ones and which ones won't be. Shit. All right, so I made my pocket jigs on my slats, on the ones that are going to be permanently in place. I have my end piece there so my mattress doesn't fall. That's not, you know, screwed on right now, so I just got to be careful with that. And now I'm going to take my spacer here and respace my boards so that I can screw them into that end piece there. So let's do that. I think I might run out of space, but we'll have to see. Whoop. Oh, let's go over here. So we'll start over here. So I finished the bed and this is what it looks like. It came out great. It's holding my weight. It also extends out to about 6 feet and I'm really excited about it.